It's the Trigger Man, Weljon Mindoro.
Elia Espada.
Look at that uppercut! Down goes
Isang bagong Filipino knockout machine ang unti-unting gumugulat sa boxing world. Weljon Mindoro. Isang undefeated destroyer sa loob ng ring, si Mindoro ay kilala sa sobrang agresibong estilo, walang preno na pressure at nakakatakot na knockout power. Sa bawat laban, hindi lang panalo ang resulta, kundi demolition. May perfect record siya na 16 wins, 16 KOs. Ibig sabihin lahat ng nakaharap niya, hindi umabot sa final bell. Bawat laban niya ay parang babala sa buong division. Isang patunay na may bagong halimaw na papasok sa mas mataas na level ng boxing. At ngayon, mas lumalakas ang usap-usapan na babalik siya sa aksyon ngayong Hunyo 5, 2026 sa Dallas, Texas, USA, kung saan posibleng makaharap niya ang veteranong Mexican fighter na si Elias Espadas. Pero ang tanong, handa na ba siya sa susunod na malaking pagsubok? Si Elias Espadas ay hindi basta kalaban. May record siya na 23 wins, 8 losses, 1 draw, 16 KOs, isang seasoned Mexican veteran na dumaan na sa matitinding laban sa international stage. Kilala siya sa kanyang tibay, matinding pressure fighting style, at kakayahang makipagsabayan kahit kanino sa loob ng ring. Hindi siya madaling pabagsakin. Isa siyang mandirigma na sanay sa matagalang laban at alam kung paano sirain ang ritmo ng isang explosive fighter. Kaya kung magtutuloy ang laban sa June 5, 2026 sa Dallas, Texas, USA, ito ang magiging clash ng dalawang magkaibang mundo. Isang undefeated knockout machine laban sa isang veteranong warrior na walang takot sa kahit sinong kalaban. Isang suntok lang, isang round lang, isang maling galaw lang, pwedeng magbago ang lahat. Ito ang laban na posibleng magmarka sa bagong era ng Philippine boxing. Ang tanong ngayon, sino ang babagsak at sino ang lalabas na mas matibay sa gitna ng ring? Panoorin natin kung paano dinurog ni Weljon Mindoro ang veteranong Australian boxer na Joel Camilleri.
So the opening round underway. This is 8 3-minute rounds for the Asian Continental title at 75 kilogram middleweight. Two accomplished.
Sa pagtunog ng bell sa unang round, agad na nagsukatan ang dalawa. Si Mindoro ay maagang kumonekta gamit ang matutulis na jab at straight, habang si Joel Camilleri ay maingat na umiwas at naghihintay ng tamang pagkakataon para mag-counter. Pero habang tumatagal ang sagupaan, si Mindoro ang mas kumokontrol ng ritmo ng laban. Mas aktibo, mas agresibo, at siya ang nagdidikta ng aksyon sa gitna ng ring.
Prostitute boxing school. After his contest with Tim Tszyu, moved into that role earlier this year. Right cross, left up, left hook to the body. Left hook on the inside, Larry. Weljon Mindoro seeking to pin him against the ropes, bring him square in there. He did get through the power driving right cross and unloads a couple of punches to the body. Left hook after turning the tables, landed by Camilleri. Competitive opening round of boxing.
Sa round 2, unti-unti nang umiinit ang laban. Patuloy ang agresibong pag-atake ni Mindoro. Hindi bumibitaw sa pressure at sunod-sunod ang kanyang kombinasyon. Damang-dama na ni Joel Camilleri ang bawat suntok na tumatama, habang pilit niyang sinusubukang makahanap ng espasyo para makabawi. Pero mas lalo lang, lumalakas ang kontrol ni Mindoro sa laban.
Mindoro hasn't yet got to grips with that rhythm to demonstrate his own timing. Even though he's in with a noted knockout artist, Camilleri goes by the nickname of Kama KO, 14 wins of his 29 coming via the short route, remember, and there's that disruptive, again, dynamic figure up in the boxing ring as he circumnavigates his back skimming against the ropes. Turns the tables once more. Mindoro content to touch with a speculative overhand right. The dynamic darting and elusive movement of Camilleri. just give you the impression that he's controlling the tempo and he's setting the tempo.
Sa round 3, mas lalong tumitindi ang atake ni Mindoro. Dito mas lumilitaw ang bangis ng Pinoy. Tuloy-tuloy ang pressure, kombinasyon, at matitinding palo na hindi na binibigyan ng pahinga si Joel Camilleri. Si Camilleri, pilit nag-a-adjust at dumidepensa, kaya't madalas na lang ang kanyang clinching para makaiwas sa hagupit ng mga kamao. Pero kontrolado pa rin ni Mindoro ang takbo ng laban. Siya ang mas dominante sa ring.
25 kilograms, but oftentimes when a punch-up is landing cleanly and the opponent is still there, or sometimes the puncher's instinct can be to just his professional career to this point, having made his debut in 2019, but Camilleri with a cuffing right hand, Larry, proffering the half cover guard. There he fired an overhand right, the left hook which followed may have glanced the nose of Mindoro after the right hand was inaccurate. Clocking up the miles on his fistic odometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring. Camilleri, Mindoro walked his man down, but Camilleri landing with the inside of the glove, and then an altogether cleaner right hand, and another one from Camilleri, followed by a left hook, boxing beautifully off the ropes as Mindoro tries to respond with a right uppercut of his own, but his left and right fists of Mindoro. Terrific work by Camilleri to smother the man from the Philippines, who's looking for a right hand off the back foot.
Round 4, nakuha na ni Mindoro ang tamang timing at distansya, kaya mas lumuwag ang kanyang galaw sa loob ng ring. Mula rito, mas naging madali para sa kanya ang pagpasok ng mga solidong suntok na talagang tumatama ng malinis.
Upon by Mindoro, is this a stoppage? No, it's a standing count. So, referee Valery Pastuhov stepping in with a standing count after hooks and uppercuts.
Si Joel Camilleri ay nahihirapan ng makasabay at mas napipilitang magdepensa habang si Mindoro ay tuloy-tuloy sa paghanap ng finishing shot na pwedeng magtapos ng laban.
That he is a precise and merciless finisher once again. It's an awful long time to negotiate. Beautiful left hook, but then a right hand in response from Camilleri. But Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now and wearing all of them flush. Is Camilleri. He's endured a torrid minute and 10 seconds so far. He's taken a standing count. Back into the breach, steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. He's wrestled him down to the canvas. That gives him some brief respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean and he's walked onto a shot, which was an uppercut, which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second count of the round. There's still a minute and a half to go in round number 4. And against a finisher like Mindoro, that could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position, bobbing and weaving, trying to hold off, but he's taken a right uppercut and the towel has come in from Dino Billinghurst in the corner of the Australian.
At dito na tinapos ng referee ang laban. Isang malinaw na finishing work mula kay Mindoro. Dahil sa sunod-sunod at malinis na tama, hindi na pinayagan pang magpatuloy si Joel Camilleri. Panalo si Mindoro via TKO sa round 4. Isang dominanteng performance mula simula hanggang dulo.
For your winner by TKO from the Philippines, the Triggerman, Will John Mindoro!
So, Well John Mindoro retains his